This car is about to get retired. It's still hesitating. I don't know what's wrong with it. So this is just where we at with it. My baby. He love being on camera. Okay, what's up? Yeah, jerseys, you know what I'm saying? The fan down. Starving, gang. So we got us, the famous Philly. Mr. Elon, favorite. That's his favorite. And then we got babies. What's that, chicken? Mm-hmm. Yeah, chicken Philly. That's good.
It's good, the baby. It's good, the baby.
The baby. Alright, we about to dig in, gang. What's that? You see the cars? Yeah. That shit. See the car flipping thing? Yeah. Look at that car there. It's a Ferrari. It's clean. Oh yeah, this is a 98 Lotus. It's about a Ferrari. It look like a Ferrari, don't it? See how small it is? Come here. That joint clean. Man, that shit, bro. This one when Lotus was popping.
Yeah.
Like this one Lotus was, you know, top tier. We got this wide body, probably a wide body. No, it's a wide body, something. Probably a RT. Oh, this is GT. This is GT. The wide body look good on here though. Look like OEM. And he got the SRT wheels on it, the big boys. This is a GT, y'all. It's a V6. That's the M3. It's clean. Yeah. E36. Yeah. You was bad in school. You don't get no ice cream. Just being a bad boy. Got a Z right here. Mini Cooper. Turbo joint. Got a few cars. Got a few clean cars here. Check the license plate out. Look. Oh, okay.
So it does kind of have that durable high gloss protection.
Oh, okay. So what you would prefer? This one or that one?
A lot of the pros, from what I hear, use the Carnuba.
Oh, okay. Because it lasts longer, huh?
Yeah.
Not only that, the Canuba is actually super safe for just about any car.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Because I got a black car, so.
Yeah.
Oh,
Well, if you're
yeah.
gonna, dude, are you just here for like a quick detail? Do you like looking for soap or wax? Because like the black light for wax, dude, on a black car, man, it looks
Man.
so nice.
Yeah, I mean, I'll try that shit. Because I got this. I've used this all the time, and it does this.
It helps.
Yeah, like for like a quick thing, but I'm like,
especially if you want to just get done with. Just
Yeah.
If you're running late.
bro,
to a
I'm
car
starting.
meeting or
Yeah, on my
something.
Type S, I'm starting to get the fades and shit.
Yeah,
You know, the
I
Honda
have a
fades.
red car, so I
Do you
use that.
have a do you
Yeah.
have a sponge too? Like a, not like a dishwasher sponge, but like a
like a microfiber.
Yeah.
Nah,
so.
I'll probably get one of these.
Yes, sir. I was gonna say you literally just put a little dabble on it, so like a domino. So
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Uh-huh.
Work in a 4x4 section. Just wipe it back
Okay.
and forth, and then.
And it
Go
locks
with-
it in after like a good wash, and then I can
Yes,
apply
sir.
this.
Yes, sir. And
All
dude,
right.
it's gonna make it
Come
look
here,
so
Poop.
glossy.
Come here. Come here. Okay.
I got
Yeah, I
this
think
for the
that's it.
CP.
Yeah. Hook me up, man. Come here, Poopy. Sit down. Sit down on that. You can sit on it. It's a chair.
Do you have a phone number with us?
I think so. Oh, but what you doing? What you doing?
It's just these 2 for day one.
You ready? Come here, Poopy. To the barber shop. We ain't gonna get a haircut right now. Come here. Hold my hand.
They're not going to like a club or something. They're down to like
I got the
wait to find out where they're going.
man. Where you going? Go this way. This way. Man, where are you going? Yeah, okay. Looking clean. Come here. Hold on. Come on, get in there. Hey, good. You got the goddamn chopper out, man. Chopper, motherfucker. Little chill little thing. I always buy something every time I go to these. Sit back. Okay, wait.
But my thinking.
wants to come on. So you know what that means. This car is about to get retired. It's still hesitating. I don't know what's wrong with it. So this is just where we at with it. So this car will be going somewhere. But yeah, I'm not sure, gang. After the the battery light when it come on, or whatever. Just this car just needing one thing after another. So y'all stay tuned to see what else gonna come to the channel. This is gonna be something.